Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking to watch my video. I really do appreciate your presence here. And if you're a returning subscriber and viewer, thank you so much for clicking to watch my video again. Thank you for always coming back. I really do appreciate it. So I just have a little message for those of you who are new here. If this is your first time stopping by, or if you're a frequent viewer but you are yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button that you see down below so that you can join the family. We really will love to have you join us. Please waste no time and hit the subscribe button down below, and yeah, join the family, join the gang, okay? And without further ado, let's just get into the business of the day. So, as you all can see and you can tell by the title of this video, I did distressed full locks, but this time I did shoulder length distressed full locks. And then by the title, you can tell that this style is stemming from my previous hairstyle, which was medium box braids. Yes, and so I was just tired of the look, and I'm like, what can I do? Initially, I wanted to have ball box braids, but I ended up maintaining the long braids. So at the end of the day, like after like about 3 weeks, I decided to just switch it up and do this hairstyle, and I absolutely love it. So if you want to see how I achieved this, then you want to keep on watching. I'm also thinking of doing like telling you about what I kind of like or do not like about this hairstyle. But I think I should just keep that for another video, since I just installed this. So I was just gonna see how it goes the next couple of days to weeks. Then I can give you a sort of review as to the hair in general. Like this is my second this time doing distress locks. If you're a subscriber here or you're a constant viewer, then you already know I already did a distress lock look, but it was much longer than this. So I think, being that I've had the hairstyle twice already, I should be able to give tips and tricks on how to maintain the hair, or just tell you things in general about this hairstyle. So I think that's something I'm going to do in another video. So please make sure you hit the subscribe button if you have not done so, and then if you already have, kindly hit the notification bell right beside it so that you get notified when I post any video at all. Okay, thanks so much, and until my next video, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay positive. Bye.
So I'm now starting by cutting my hair into a bob. So this first part that I cut here, I'm going to use it to serve as the benchmark for cutting the rest of my braids. And be sure to be careful when cutting your braids so that you do not cut your hair, especially when your hair is reasonably long. So that was what I was trying to make sure of here. I was trying to be sure that I did not make a mistake and cut my own hair. But when you use colored attachments or colored braiding hair, it's easier for you to be able to see where your hair gets to, and helps you not to cut your hair. But you have to take the extra care and caution if your hair is dark and the braiding hair that you use is also the same color as the color of your hair. So you want to be careful, and it's much better if your hair matches the color of your braiding hair. Then you want to cut a little bit, you know, below, or I don't know, do you say below? Yes, below where you think your hair is. That way you're giving an allowance for your hair so that you do not cut into your own hair. So that's it. I'm done cutting my hair into a bob. Now let us get on with the business of today. So right now I'm taking the passion twist air, and just fluffing it. So this is what you want to do. And then I picked one, I fluffed it, and then I took another one, fluffed it, and divided it into two. Now after dividing it into two, I'm going to take each part and cut it into a shorter length. This one is going to serve as the air that I'm going to use to extend the full locks at the bottom, because the singular spring twist air will not be able to wrap my hair all the way, and then using another full singular spring twist air would be like a waste. So I decided to divide it into two and cut it into a much shorter length that is just enough for me to finish up the full locks with. So now, because your hair has been in this protective style for so long, now you want to add another form of braids or extension to it, which is further going to dry it out. So you want to make sure that you keep your hair as moisturized as possible, which is what I'm doing here, applying the leave-in conditioner as the cream and oiling it up to the full length of your hair in the braids. Guys, you want to make sure this get into the full length of your hair. So what I did was spray the water, massage it into the braid, apply the cream also up to the full length of my hair, as well as the oil, and apply my shine and jam just to slip it a little bit, and then just get on with the styling. So after the hair prep, what you want to do is crochet the spring twist hair, the passion twist hair, or whatever hair that you want to scratch this look. Crochet it into your hair, and now by this time, if you're making your full locks out of an old braiding hairstyle, then you know that you would have had some undergrowth. So what you want to do is, after prepping your hair by moisturizing it, and you apply your shine and jam or whatever gel you want to use, and brushing the roots of your hair, you would now crochet the hair into your roots and twist the hair. You want to kind of twist the hair just to get it to be tight a little bit, so that your hair will not be saggy. So you want to twist the hair, and then you start to wrap the full locks hair or the spring twist hair around the twisted hair, just to keep it tight and secure, which is what I'm doing here. And then you just keep on wrapping the braids with the hair that you're using. And now the method I'm using to achieve this butterfly locks is the no thumb method. I'm not using the thumb to create the butterfly effect. What I'm just doing basically is wrapping lightly. Because of the coral pattern of the hair that I'm using, you do not need to use your thumb or whatever to create a butterfly effect, except if you want a very, very exaggerated butterfly effect. That is when you need to use your thumb. So what I did here was just wrap my hair around my braids lightly, and you can see how the butterfly effect is coming out effortlessly. I did not need to do the thumb method at all. By the way, guys, if you've watched up to this point and you're here to subscribe, please kindly do me a favor and click the subscribe button down below. It's going to help me a lot. And remember to hit the thumbs up button, guys. Feedback is so important. Let me know what you feel about this tutorial in the comment section. And by giving me a thumbs up, you do not know how much of a help and how much of a benefit that is going to serve my channel. So please kindly hit the thumbs up button. Do not forget to hit the thumbs up button. Do not forget to leave me a comment down below. camera because I don't want this video to be excessively long. And I'm going to see you when I'm done, okay? So this is the final look, guys. This hair came out looking so beautiful. Like, it came out so well. Like, I didn't expect the hair to look this good, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate that you stuck to the end of this video. That if you did, thank you so much. And I'm going to catch you on my very next video. Bye.